patient experience na naman ang matutunghayan natin ngayon. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
I appreciate quick and clear instructions, and the staff in the radiology made sure that I will be calm and assured that everything will be well. I checked out the radiology department of TMC before I decided, because the doctor told me, you do your CT scan here in this hospital. And so I was more or less parang forced to do it there in the hospital that she recommended me. Before it happened, I was in TMC to get my some kind of mga results ko, no? So dumaan ako sa radiology para tanungin kung ano bang ginagawa sa CT scan kasi natatakot ako, no? So nandun si Lance, no? And he was the one who explained to me, since it is triple dye na ipapasok, ganyan, no? So this is what's gonna happen. So I really appreciated that because matatakotin ako ng tao. As I was telling you, no, I wanted to know what's gonna happen so that I prepare myself, no. I feel assured, no, that I will be taken care of. So kaya gusto ko sana doon na kaagad. Kaya lang sabi sa akin diyan, di nung araw na dumating nga, sumipot ako doon sa radiology nung hospital na yon. Tapos sinabihan ako na, ma'am, wala kayong slot. Ay sabi ko sa magpapagawa at siguradong bukas din, meron din akong matatapos kaysa sa dito. Isn't that a beautiful step na malaki na ang bibigay niyong contribution sa transformation ng society when you have this culture of service, of love for the people who are there, no? Thank you so much, and thank you that you have this culture.
If you like this video, please follow our FB page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more health videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.